wants to have that luxe feel and to be able to kind of pull off the things that you love. And I think to me, you start with those natural palettes. You want something that's soothing. A lot of times, to me, the background, the basis of your design should really have something that's calm, have harmony. You're probably going to have to invest in a piece or two that is something that's durable, functional. I think sometimes too that piece, your first investment or maybe that third investment piece, is something that you know it might look a little out of context in this room as you're building that design, but in the end, it's going to work out. And so I think those are the really big pieces. And don't forget, like mix high and low. That's what we do. That's what I've done in my own home. I think that there's a lot of times, you're pairing up pieces that you've gathered and collected that have meaning or really have some interest, and they don't have a high dollar amount on them. And those are the things when you do continue to mix those items, I think they can give you something that's really special.